Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Claudia Walks. If you are new here, welcome and consider subscribing. It's free. And on today's video, we are diving into a very important topic. What did the Africans believe in before the Christianity? So make sure you watch this video till the end and also give it a like. So long before the arrival of Christianity, Africa was a land rich with spiritual beliefs, deeply rooted in nature, ancestry, and the interconnectedness of life. And today, we are journeying back in time to explore what Africans believed in before the influence of the Bible. So, let's see the foundation of African spirituality. African spirituality was not monolithic. It varied across regions, tribes, and communities. But at its core, it centered a supreme creator, spirit, and the veneration of ancestors. And many African communities believed in a single distant creator, God, who brought the universe into being. And names like Olodumare in Yoruba, Mulungu in East Africa, and Nyame in Akan traditions all represent this supreme being. And one of the most unique aspects of African spirituality was the deep respect for the ancestors. Ancestors were seen as intermediaries between the living and the divine, and their spirits guided, protected, and influenced the well-being of the community. And there was this common proverb. It was there and it is still there. In many African cultures, it says, "We walk because they walked before us. We walk because they walked before us." And the nature was more than a backdrop. It was a sacred connection to the divine. And spirits were believed to inhabit rivers, mountains, forests, and also animals. And this belief endured harmony between humans and the environment. And there was a strict taboo protecting the sacred sites and endangered animals. And the reference for the nature in African spirituality taught sustainable living and deep respect for the planet. Lessons we can still learn from today. And many African cultures worshipped a pantheon of gods and spirits, each governing aspects of life like rain, war, health, and also even fertility. For example, the Yoruba people referred gods like Shango, the god of thunder, and Oshan, the goddess of love and fertility. So, Shago represented by lightning and fire, and Oshan, it was associated with the rivers, healing, and beauty. So let's see about the community and spiritual leaders. Priests, diviners, and healers held an important role in African spirituality. They were the link between the physical and the worlds, offering guidance, healing, and also solution to everyday's problems. Rituals, sacrifices, and divination were also central to maintaining balance and the harmony too. And so, when Christianity arrived through missionaries and colonization, it often dismissed African beliefs as pagan or primitive. However, These spiritual practices were far from simplistic. They were complex, philosophical, and deeply rooted in the human experiences. And today, many African traditional beliefs continue to thrive, blending with modern religious or standing alone as proud symbol of identity and heritage. Africa's spiritual heritage is a testament to the continent's diversity and depth. And before Christianity, there was faith, wisdom, and also unshakable connection to the universe. Let's honor and remember these beliefs, for they tell the story of who we are and where we come from. And as Africa continues to evolve, so does its spirituality. Many young Africans are rediscovering and embracing their traditional beliefs, integrated them with modern lifestyles and global religions. And this revival reminds us of the resilience of African culture and the importance of preserving our spiritual heritage. So, understanding what Africans believed in before Christianity is more than an history. It's about reclaiming a narrative often erased or misunderstood. And this belief shaped African societies, inspired their art, music, and governance, and continue to influence the world in many ways. And so, whether through storytelling, cultural festivals, or practicing ancestral traditions, there is so much we can do to keep this legacy alive. Let's continue to learn, to teach us, and also to celebrate our roots. Our ancestors left us a treasure trove of wisdom and spirituality that speaks to the essence of humanity. And by exploring these ancient beliefs, we gain insight not only into the past, but also into the strength and potential of our present and future. And so, guys, thank you so much for joining me on this journey through history and spirituality. Until next time, stay curious, stay proud, and stay connected to your roots. Explore, learn, and preserve. See you in the next video. Bye bye.